I will now demonstrate Vehco Quick Messaging Service, and it can be used for sending messages both from Outlook out to the trucks or from Vehco Web Office direct out to the trucks, and also from the trucks and the drivers back to the web office. And this is used to facilitate communication and make as few errors as possible in this communication. Messages can be sent both directly from the map where you select the vehicle, and you can also go directly to the message module and send the messages to users or to the vehicles. Let's go to the map, and then we select a truck here, truck 303 driven by Johan Strokander, and then I can go down here and select either user message or vehicle message. Let's go for vehicle message, and let's assume that this truck needs to be taken in for service. So I will write some kind of headline like service time, and then I will enter some kind of text in this text area, and then I can define quick reply buttons like today or tomorrow or next week or next month, for instance. I can also define how long this message should stay in the inbox out in the truck. So now we'll send the message to the driver, or sorry, to the truck, and here is how it will look like out in the truck. So I can go directly to the inbox there, and then it will look like this. So this is the application out in the truck, either in a smartphone or a tablet or in Vehco on board. I just click the message, and here is the message that was sent from the office. I will then click reply, and here you can see the predefined answering or reply buttons. And let's assume that I can come in tomorrow. Then I will send that to the message to the office. Back in the office, we can have a look on how it looks like. I will just find the screen here. Here is back in web office, and I go to the messages function here. So here you can see that the answer has come here, and here is the response from the driver. It's also possible to send messages from the truck directly back to Outlook, for instance, if the system is configured in that way and if the office user has a registered email address. So let's assume I'm a driver out in the truck, and now I got an order, but let's take that later. I like to define a message, and I like to send it directly to my office team. I can then search the person I like to send to. Let's assume that I like to send to someone called Johan, and I can write here that can we meet on Tuesday at 4 p.m. for instance. And now the system is set up so that it will be sent directly out to Outlook. So now I send this information, and this information will now be will both show up in the message module in Outlook. And let's see, yeah, here it showed up. Here you got the information, and it will also show up in web office. Let's see, yeah, here it showed up, as you can see here. So it's easy to communicate back, and now I can send back this message to the truck. Yes, confirmed, and then I'll send it back. So it's easy for an office user to use email clients such as Outlook. And now we can see out in the truck, we go to the inbox, and let's just go in there, and here we get the answer, yes, confirmed. So this is just some of the functions in the Quick Messages module that can be used via Vehco 4. Thank you for listening.